Hey guys, it's Trevor Day from Team RDP. Welcome to Mariner Lane. I want to talk to you a little bit about this neighborhood because I've lived directly across the street for over 10 years. This is a double-ended cul-de-sac, very quiet neighborhood, not a lot of through traffic, plenty of kids, and all the neighbors get along famously. Several RDP members actually live on this street. This is 2595 Mariner Lane. All right guys, so we're in the garage. This garage is 30 feet deep, so that means 21, 22 foot day cruisers, jet boats, things of that nature, or just your car parking. There's plenty of parking on this lot, as we're gonna find out, but this particular house sports something that I think is very cool. It's got its own private office, can also be used as a 5th bedroom, and it's got its own private bathroom. All right guys, we've seen the house. It's one of the only 4 bedrooms on the market, potentially a 5th if you want to use that office in the garage as a bedroom. It actually has its own separate AC and heating as well. But what they say in real estate, location, location, location. The neighborhood's great, but the bonus about this house is the backyard. The jacuzzi stays with the privacy wall. To my left, there's a 2-story shed, pool behind me. To my right, over 100 feet of side parking. My neighbor used to park a 40-foot motorhome, 30-foot trailer, and another 10-foot box trailer behind that with plenty of room to spare. But the absolute killer part of this, it sports a whole lake view off the backyard. And you can see that lake view from the pool. The sunsets are absolutely epic. Give Stacy a call at 928-706-4200.